Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about archiving servers in Discord. Now, Discord doesn't have a built-in archive a server button like some other apps, but there are a few really effective ways to achieve the same result: hiding a server from your list, preserving it for later, or locking it down so nothing changes. Let's walk through all your options. Before we get into it, let me clarify what archiving means in the Discord world. Discord doesn't have a one-click archive feature for entire servers like you'd find in Gmail or Slack. But what most people want when they say archive a server is one of three things. They want to hide the server from their list without leaving it, they want to preserve the messages and channels without anyone posting anymore, or they want to mute it so it stops sending notifications. I'll cover all three. If you just want to stop getting notifications from a server without leaving it, muting is the way to go. Right-click on the server icon in your left sidebar. Click on Mute Server. You can choose to mute it for a set time or indefinitely. This way, the server stays in your list but won't bother you with pings or notifications at all. This is the quickest and easiest option. If you want to keep the server but push it out of the way, you can organize it into a folder. Right-click on the server icon and select Mark as Read to clear all unread messages. Then drag the server icon and drop it on top of another server icon to create a folder. Name the folder something like Archive or Old Servers. Now it's tucked away neatly and won't clutter your main server list. You can collapse the folder so it's out of sight whenever you want. If you own the server and want to archive it so no one can post anymore, here's what to do. Go to your server settings by clicking on the server name at the top. Go to Roles and remove the Send Messages permission from the Everyone role. This prevents all members from posting in any channel. You can also go into each channel individually and disable posting in the channel permissions. Now your server is essentially read-only. All the history is preserved, but no new messages can be sent. This is the closest thing to a true archive on Discord. If you don't need the server anymore but want to keep some of the content, manually copy and save any important messages, links, or files before you leave. You can also take screenshots of important conversations. Once you've saved what you need, right-click the server icon and select Leave Server. This removes it from your list completely. If you want a proper archive of all the messages in a server, there are tools that can help. A popular one is called Discord Chat Exporter. It's a free tool that lets you export entire channels into HTML or text files that you can save on your computer. This gives you a permanent offline record of everything that was said in the server. Just search for Discord Chat Exporter on GitHub to find it. And those are your options for archiving a server on Discord. Mute it for silence, folder it for organization, lock it down if you own it, or export the messages for a full offline archive. Pick whichever one fits your situation best. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more Discord tips. See you in the next one.